Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching Pak Simple Vlogs channel. I welcome all my viewers for being with me here, and I hope you are well too. I am making a very short vlog because it is very late time in the evening, and I hope you will enjoy this short vlog. The place where we are is called Alamganj. It is a beautiful village of district Mardan. You will see there are very greenery around me. This is the maize crop and the people eat this in winter. In the winter season, this road is very near to Swat Express motorway. This is a charming place for picnic. Many people can here in winter. Season for picnic purpose. Now I will finish my video here, and next time I will be live on my channel Pak Simple Vlogs. So be with me to show you the natural, local and unseen places in Pakistan. Till next video, Allah Hafiz, and keep in your prayers. I am your host Rashidur Rahman from KBK Mardan. Bye bye.